This is for anyone out there who has a loose shifter on their 2005 to 2009 Cadillac STS. It's a very simple process to tighten it up, so I'll show you really quick. This is what it's like right now. It's got this really annoying loose feel to it, not very luxury-like. So what we're going to do is we're going to very carefully pop this collar down. Don't use a screwdriver. Mine's already pretty loose because I popped it off already. But you should be able to do that with one hand or two hands, no problem. Then you're going to take a T10 Torx bit, non-security, and you're just going to tighten up this set screw here. Don't know what the Torx spec is, but even that, just using my fingers, that already feels way better. So I'll take our wrench here, just give it a little bit more, pop our collar back on. Feels awesome. All right, hope this helps you guys out. Let me know if you need any more STS videos.